I've made a low budget internal canister filter, and if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. So I'll show you how to make this using a food container and some foam, which is put in the right order, going from coarse, medium to fine, and then floss. You can see it in my tank here. I'm going to hide it behind some black plastic, and then I'm going to cover that in moss, so I'll have a moss wall. So here you can see the plant's already covering it, but I will change the position of this filter and we'll cover it with the moss wall. As you can see, it's very effective. I even have some purling happening in the middle of my tank. Really effective way, as well as cost effective. I don't end up using this marine silicone, but here are some of the tools I used. And I had a submersible pump from this Yano tank. It actually came with the tank. It's got some mesh bags for the biological biohome balls. Used a cardboard template to cut the foams out, and I bought this foam for about £10 from Amazon, coarse, medium and fine. Also this food container and some biological media. Already had some mesh bags. Here are some cable glands to just create a vacuum so that water will be sucked in from the bottom of the canister filter and will be pushed out by the pump from the top, thus by creating a loop, and this will continually pull and trap the debris into the foams. Here I just folded lots of layers of cardboard to drill a hole, stripped the wire, I fed it through a cable gland, and then just seal that all back up with some heat shrink. So there you go, there's a power cable and then the outlet out on the top of the lid. So whenever I wash out the foams, the pump comes away from the filter very easily. Because I drilled into some cardboard, you can see it created a funnel shape that sealed up nicely. The cable glands were very effective at sealing. I then filled up some mesh bags with some biological media and put it on top of the mechanical media so that it wouldn't get blocked by all the debris. Like and subscribe to support the channel, and here it is in action. And as you can see, past the foams there is some biological media and mesh bags. The good thing about this filter is that it won't leak all over your floor because it's internal. I only used a small part of the foam, and this foam is washable in aquarium water so that it will last for ages, and you can make a number of filters from a very low initial cost. An equivalent canister filter will probably cost about over £100, and then it would probably leak. Because the foams are arranged in such a way that it's coarse, medium and then fine, this means that the filter will not get easily clogged, so there'll be less maintenance and you can enjoy your tank for far longer. So I'll place a plastic sheet to cover the filter and drill some holes into the sheet so that water may pass through. Now I'll put the outlet through another hole.